Welcome to the YouTube channel Battlefield Chronicle. In this video, we are going to explore one of the most powerful and largest military cargo aircraft ever built, the C-5 Million Super Galaxy. The Lockheed C-5 Galaxy is one of the largest and most powerful military cargo aircraft ever built. Operated by the United States Air Force, this massive aircraft plays a crucial role in transporting heavy military equipment, vehicles, and supplies across the world. Designed as a strategic airlifter, the C-5 Galaxy allows the U.S. military to rapidly deploy forces and equipment to distant battlefields and disaster zones. During the 1960s, the United States military needed a larger transport aircraft capable of carrying extremely heavy equipment. Existing aircraft could not handle oversized cargo such as tanks and large helicopters. To solve this problem, the U.S. Air Force selected Lockheed Martin to design a giant cargo plane that could carry massive loads over intercontinental distances. The C-5 Galaxy made its first flight in 1968 and officially entered service in 1970. Since then, it has become one of the most important aircraft in the U.S. military's air mobility fleet. More than 130 aircraft were built, and many of them continue to serve today. The C-5 Galaxy is enormous. The aircraft is approximately 247 feet long, with a wingspan of 222 feet. Its tail stands about 65 feet high, which is nearly as tall as a six-story building. Because of its size, the aircraft is easily recognizable and often called a flying warehouse. One of the most impressive features of the C-5 Galaxy is its cargo capacity. The aircraft can carry around 127 tons of cargo, making it one of the largest military transport aircraft in the world. This allows it to transport tanks, armored vehicles, helicopters, and even large engineering equipment. Aerobook. The cargo hold inside the aircraft is extremely large. It measures over 121 feet in length and is wide enough to carry heavy vehicles. The cargo floor is reinforced so it can support extremely heavy military equipment. The aircraft has a unique design with both front and rear cargo doors. The nose of the aircraft opens upward while the rear ramp lowers, allowing vehicles to drive straight through the aircraft. This design makes loading and unloading much faster during military operations. Another remarkable feature of the C-5 Galaxy is its kneeling landing gear. The aircraft can lower its front landing gear, bringing the cargo floor closer to the ground. This makes it easier to load heavy vehicles without requiring large external ramps. The C-5 Galaxy is powered by 4 turbofan engines that generate enormous thrust. These engines allow the aircraft to lift massive loads and travel long distances. Newer versions of the aircraft use more advanced engines that improve fuel efficiency and performance. Despite its enormous size, the C-5 Galaxy is a fast aircraft. It can cruise at speeds of around 833 km/h, 518 mph, and fly thousands of kilometers without stopping. With aerial refueling, it can travel even farther across continents. The primary role of the C-5 Galaxy is strategic airlift. This means transporting large amounts of military equipment from one continent to another quickly. The aircraft allows the U.S. military to respond rapidly to global conflicts and emergencies. The aircraft is capable of carrying a wide variety of military equipment, including tanks, armored vehicles, and helicopters. For example, it can transport large vehicles or multiple helicopters in a single flight, making it extremely valuable for military logistics. In addition to cargo, the C-5 Galaxy can also carry troops. The aircraft has a special passenger compartment above the cargo area that can carry dozens of soldiers during long-distance missions. Over the decades, the C-5 Galaxy has supported many military operations around the world. It has been used during conflicts such as the Vietnam War, the Gulf War, and the war in Afghanistan, transporting troops and equipment to combat zones. Airplanes online. The aircraft is not only used for military missions. The C-5 Galaxy has also delivered humanitarian aid, medical supplies, and rescue equipment during natural disasters around the world. To improve performance, many aircraft were upgraded to the C-5 Million Super Galaxy configuration. This modernization program introduced new engines, advanced avionics, and improved reliability, allowing the aircraft to continue serving for decades. The C-5 Galaxy works alongside other transport aircraft such as the Boeing C-17 Globemaster III. While the C-17 is more flexible for short runways, the C-5 has a much larger cargo capacity and is designed for transporting oversized loads. Because of its massive cargo capacity and long range, the C-5 Galaxy plays a critical role in global military logistics. It allows the United States to transport equipment anywhere in the world within hours. The upgraded C-5 Million aircraft are expected to remain in service until at least 2040. With improved reliability and performance, these aircraft will continue to support military and humanitarian missions for many years. The C-5 Galaxy remains one of the most impressive aircraft ever built. Its massive size, enormous cargo capacity, and long-range capabilities make it a key part of modern military aviation. Whether transporting tanks to distant battlefields or delivering aid to disaster zones, the C-5 Galaxy continues to prove why it is one of the greatest cargo aircraft in aviation history. The Lockheed C-5 Galaxy is one of the most important cargo aircraft in the fleet of the United States Air Force, playing a vital role in global military operations and strategic airlift missions. This giant aircraft was designed to transport extremely heavy and oversized cargo across intercontinental distances, allowing the U.S. military to rapidly deploy troops, vehicles, and supplies anywhere in the world. Its massive cargo capacity and long-range capability make it a cornerstone of American military logistics and global power projection. The C-5 Galaxy can carry large military equipment such as tanks, helicopters, armored vehicles, and engineering machinery that many other aircraft cannot transport. Because of this capability, it enables the United States to move entire combat units and their equipment to distant regions within hours instead of weeks, greatly improving the speed and efficiency of military response during crises or conflicts. The aircraft's enormous cargo hold and drive-through loading system allow vehicles and heavy equipment to be loaded quickly through both the front nose door and rear ramp, making logistics operations faster during urgent missions. Another important aspect of the C-5 Galaxy is its strategic airlift role, which means transporting personnel and supplies over very long distances to support global military operations. It can carry oversized cargo over intercontinental ranges and operate from many different airfields, giving the U.S. Air Force flexibility in deploying forces worldwide. Throughout its decades of service, the aircraft has supported numerous military operations and international missions, demonstrating its importance to national defense and global security. In addition to combat operations, the C-5 Galaxy also performs humanitarian and disaster relief missions by delivering food, medical equipment, and emergency supplies to countries affected by natural disasters. This capability makes it not only a military asset, but also a valuable tool for international aid and crisis response. The aircraft's modernization into the improved C-5 Million Super Galaxy has further enhanced its reliability, fuel efficiency, and performance, ensuring that it remains a key part of the U.S. Air Force airlift fleet for many years to come. Modern upgrades allow the aircraft to carry even more cargo and operate more efficiently, strengthening the strategic mobility of the U.S. military. Overall, the C-5 Galaxy is extremely important for the U.S. military because it provides unmatched heavy lift capability, rapid global deployment, and logistical support for both combat and humanitarian missions, making it one of the most powerful and valuable cargo aircraft ever built.